What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So today is the second official food day here in Atlanta, Georgia. So we just slept at the Airbnb, and any of you guys who stay in Airbnb would know that Airbnbs, they look great on photos, but sometimes isn't as look as it great as it looks, you know, is as great as it looks. So this is one of the examples. Just to give you guys a rough idea. A lot of rooms, we have 9 guests, so everything looks nice. But check out the bed. Squeaks. A lot of squeaking on the bed. My brother's also in flooring, and he talks about how the floors are not leveled, so sometimes it creaks whenever you walk. Again, you might say we're being super picky, but you know, Airbnbs here are not cheap. For 2 nights, we pay about $900, and that's because it's super close to downtown. It's like 2.5 miles away from downtown. And we have a large group. We have 9 people, so we needed more bedrooms. But yeah, the area, the neighborhood is in, it's not the greatest neighborhood as well. A little bit rough. It's been gentrified, but we'll show you guys the houses to our left and to our right. A little bit in rougher condition. So this is one of the house on the side. It's newly painted, but look at the backyard. Everything's overgrown. Same with the other side. Other side's even worse. I think the ones living in that house has been abandoned. Everything looks like a abandoned shack. Alright, so here's where we're staying, and check out the house right beside it. A little bit old and run down. But yeah, right now we're just gonna go ahead and head to our first spot to get some brunch and get gas. We just got over here to Ponce City Market. Pretty nice spot. We're gonna grab some breakfast here. Alright, so right now we're gonna go into the market entrance. If you want shopping over here, you have a couple brands, Madewell, Anthropology. We're trying to find the market. They have like kind of like a food court style with different types of food, different ethnic food. So yeah, we're gonna go check it out. You got your live band performing as well. Pretty nice spot. Alright, we just made it here in the mall, the food court, and this reminds me of Post in Houston. It's kind of like the similar concept where you have like food, you have shopping, a little bit of everything. So yeah, all your food options downstairs. Sorry. And different ethnic foods over here. You got your Indian food, and then out here you got more food. You got desserts, a little bit of everything, Asian food. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Over here, this looks like a Chinese restaurant with a dragon. A lot of food options here. Looks like Japanese food over there. You got German. You got a little bit of everything. Pretty cool. Japanese. We're deciding what we want. They got sushi here. There's like, yeah, pretty big Japanese store. Let's see what they have. So we came to the top of the Ponce City Market. This is the rooftop. I guess this used to be like probably railway tracks. You guys can see architecture over there. The buildings all look a little run down. It's kind of like an old industrial building. They pretty much converted to a shopping area. You could hang out. You could, you know, go do shopping. You can eat. A little bit of everything. Over here it's kind of like a little flea market, little stores selling arts and crafts. It's kind of like a farmer's market. Pretty cool. Little fun facts about the Ponce City Market building. Man. Used to be an old retail store and train station. Pretty cool. And we're here inside the shop. We have my brother, my cousins, they're all hanging out there snapping photos away. Alright, so we just got here to downtown Atlanta, and yeah, pretty much we're here to visit the Coca-Cola Museum. So pretty excited. Coca-Cola started here, and yeah, pretty excited to see the history behind one of the largest drink brands in the world. Alright, so nice little backdrop. And fun fact, if you want to get tickets online, it's a little bit cheaper. You do save a little bit. Nice grass patch. So they call this the World of Coca-Cola Museum. So if you guys want to check it out here in Atlanta, Georgia, less than 20 bucks per person, you get to check out the history behind Coca-Cola. Okay.
And your journey will continue through the long doors in 6 minutes. Again, these doors will be opening in 6 minutes. In the meantime,
so the first part of the exhibit is a show. It's about a 20-minute show here at Coca-Cola. And we're okay, pretty cool.
Squeeze on in, squeeze on in, try to keep it moving the whole time. Once you enter this room, we are no longer strangers, we are now family, all connected.
Accommodate all of our friends here at World of Coca-Cola.
And among all the many artifacts here, this is pretty much the oldest one here. This is what they used to serve Coca-Cola out of back in 1896. So a brand that's been around for over 100 years. And one thing that Coca-Cola does as a brand really well is marketing. So, you know, since the early days of the late 1800s, they've been, you know, spreading the word across the US as well as around the world. So yeah, Coke used to be 5 cents back in the day, just a penny. Now it's more expensive, but people around the world love Coca-Cola for over 100 years. We are in the vault. Access restricted. There you go. Showing some of the stuff. Coca-Cola started off kind of like a cough syrup. Story behind the secret recipe of Coca-Cola. No one knows the real recipe. Pretty cool. No one knows the ingredients, no one knows the real recipe. Let's go ahead. Now we're gonna catch the free 3D show. Alright, 3D movie. So just 1 cup per person. You go around the different stations and try it out. I think it's like different flavors. Even a Coca-Cola store in the back. So let's go ahead and try it over here first. Station 1. From the different country, North American drink, Venezuela, India, Dominican. Different drinks you can try. Each station has different drinks.
That was really good.
What's cool, you can try drinks from around the world. So like Romania, Uganda, Georgia, like a little bit of different drinks all around the world. Everything but Coke.
I
like that, kind of. Oh, the Mexican one was pretty good.
Alright, so after tasting everything else, there's probably like 50 over different flavors, drinks from different countries. Right now, here it is. Here to taste Coca-Cola. So different flavors of Coke, the original, different Cokes. Marketing campaign, bro.
Yeah, well, might be just... Whoa! Might be stupid.
And we're in the Coke merch store. Everything Coke related here. Pretty cool, from your mugs to your shirts to, like I said, pretty much any kind of Coke merch you have here. We just left the Coca-Cola store, bought some goodies, official Coca-Cola stuff, and we got some mystery bags. We'll show you guys later. So the mystery bags, what's real cool about it is comes in 3 different sizes, and you actually can get these stuff in store. You can buy it from Coca-Cola's website, you can buy it at the store. So pretty excited to see what they are. So we just left the Coca-Cola store, bought some merch, some mystery gifts, about to leave the museum right now, and we're gonna head to dinner. So yeah, we're gonna head to this Korean spot for dinner. Just got here to the Korean spot, which is our dinner spot. Apparently it's pretty good, so pretty excited to have some Korean barbecue. We just got to the Korean bar spot and everything looks pretty good. If you guys are wondering, you're here in Atlanta, Georgia, you want some pretty good Korean food, Jangsujeong's the spot to go to.
Put it in the center.
always watch the old school Korean. For you,
You want to share?
I can share. I don't want the paper rice. You don't?
Round two, guys.
So we just finished food. Right now we're about to go to this spot, Coffee by Hand, for some Asian desserts, boba.
phone protection.
No, not foot protection, but the screen. Crack protector. So if it cracks, I get a free replacement.
So
Yeah,
Vincent,
best buy.
since you can't
Alright, next spot, we came over here to this Asian bakery. You got your desserts and you also have your bakery buns. Alright, so just made it back to the Airbnb. So yeah, today was pretty much a long fun-filled day. We started off the day, we were supposed to go on a nice little hike at the Stone Mountain Park, but we didn't go in the end. Some of the people went, me and my wife just decided to stay behind and rest, sleep in a little bit, and then pretty much I think first thought we went to this place called Ponce City Market. It's a nice like flea market, farmers market, selling a bunch of stuff, arts and crafts, there's food, shopping, so pretty nice spot to visit. And then I think right after that we pretty much went to the Coca-Cola Museum. That's a pretty nice spot. It's right by the aquarium, so if you guys want to check out the Coca-Cola Museum and the aquarium, it's pretty much right beside each other. So that was pretty nice. And then from there we pretty much went to dinner at this Korean spot called Jangsanju. Really good Korean spot. My sister's recommendation, and she's been to Korea. She said food taste is pretty on point. Yeah, and then right after that we hopped to another spot for Asian dessert. So we went to this kind of like this Korean bingsu place. It's a coffee shop. So we just hung out, played some games with the family. So it's always a good time. And I hope you guys like it. Tomorrow will be the last day here in Atlanta, Georgia. So a few more stuff we're going to be doing, but not too much more before we fly off at night. So pretty much have almost a full day, I would say. Our flight doesn't depart Atlanta, Georgia until about 9 p.m. at night. So yeah, gonna return the rental car around 8 p.m. So hope you guys like it. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to the channel. Thank you so much. We'll catch you guys in the next one.